Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Start by turning off your Dell XPS laptop and disconnecting the power cable. Remove the battery if applicable, ensuring a safe working environment. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back cover. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the flex cable connected to the screen. This cable is usually secured with adhesive and may be routed along the motherboard. Gently lift the cable using the tweezers, being cautious not to pull too hard to avoid any damage. If you notice any dust or debris inside the laptop, this is a great time to clean it. Use compressed air to blow out any particles, ensuring optimal performance. Remember, a clean laptop can help prolong its lifespan. Now, take your new flex cable and carefully align it with the connector on the motherboard. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. If you're unfamiliar with this process, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is done correctly. After securing the new flex cable, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks. Then, use the Phillips screwdriver to reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, which can cause damage. Once the back cover is securely in place, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Check to see if the screen is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient process to get your Dell XPS back in working order. In summary, replacing the flex cable on your Dell XPS screen requires basic tools and careful handling. By following these steps, you can successfully complete the repair and ensure your laptop functions flawlessly again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.